Hello, my beautiful souls tribe. Welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. And before we start today's reading, I want to wish all of you a wonderful, happy new year 2021. And I absolutely want all of you to have a wonderful, fulfilled, satisfied, and a happy year ahead. And so today's reading is going to be about our January 2021. Let's see how the energies are going to play out for all of us. Let's see how it is going to help us. And before we start that, I want to give you some general messages that I have been receiving ever since I set an intention to do this video today. I have been getting messages in order what is that you have to keep in mind, sort of a general guidance to all of you for the month of January 2021. The first thing that I heard for all of you, this is a collective message. We'll dive into your particular reading in just a bit. Yeah, I have been hearing this message. Keep going is going to be an important key for you. There will be moments where you may feel a little unmotivated, a little not feel like going forward, or there will be moment of confusion, or like you will be sort of in this indecisive mode. And the message that I got is keep going. All right, keep going, because nevertheless, no matter how the situation is playing out for you, no matter how difficult it seems, or no matter how problematic or chaotic it may seem, you got this. All right, you have the solution. You have everything that needs to solve the given solution. The key for January 2021 is keep going. Do not give up with one or two attempts. You have to make as many attempts as you want to make it right. All right, you may feel unmotivated. Probably you're starting something new and you may feel unmotivated and sort of want to give up on something, but your angels and guides are very clear for the month of January 2021. Do not give up. Take several attempts before you finally decide whether you want to go with that or not, because there is something that is going to pop into your mind, or that is something that you want to do, or a fresh approach to something. They're telling take several attempts with different approaches, because you got this. So keep going is the key for you in the month of January 2021. And that is the biggest message that I got. And the second message that you got to focus, the word focus. All right, that has been coming through very strongly. The minute I set my intention for today's reading, the word I heard was focus. You may lack focus. Your mind may be all over the places, like you are excited about doing things because you have set so many goals, probably for you to be accomplishing it in the year 2021. You may lose focus towards where you're going, because you're all over the places. You want to do that, you want to do this, and you get overexcited about things. Your angels and guides are telling you, you have to focus on one thing at a time. Do that right, and then go on to the next one. But when you're doing something, you got to give your 100% to that very thing, and that is going to be the key, the second key for you to win January 2021. All right, these are the two things that came up very strongly, which is a collective message for all of us. Me, you, and everybody who are going to come into this reading to watch. All right, that was absolutely necessary for me to share, because they were very strong, and your angels and guides wanted me to give this message on a general note. All right, so now let's jump straight into your reading. For group number 1, we have this blue candy stick, if that is what it is called. And for group number 2, we have this pink, and group number 1 got blue, pink. And then for group number 3, we have candy cane, I guess, green color candy cane. So make your selection, pause the video if you need to, and then once you have made your selection, you can jump into timestamps that I'll be providing in the description box down below, so that you can click on the timestamp that is with reference to your particular pile, and that is going to be your reading for Jan 2021. I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected this pile with blue color candy cane, this reading is for you. What I heard is communication for you. You got to communicate very clearly this month, meaning you got to express what you're feeling. You got to express what is that you got to express. Don't keep anything in your heart. Your expression, the way you communicate, is going to be very important to you in the month of January 2021. Some of you may be planning your proposal. I heard proposal. Maybe you're proposing something. It could be a love proposal, or you're proposing your plan to your partner, or you're finding a new partner, or there is something about collaboration with somebody. Your communication has to be very clear, like what is that you're expecting from this very relationship. It could be a partnership, it could be a love relationship, or a proposal. Whatever that you're planning, you have to be very clear on what is that you want and what is that you're expecting out of this particular contract, is what I'm hearing. Communication is exactly where you need to focus on. You have to be very clear. You have to be you have to keep things very clear when you're communicating, is what they're trying to tell. All right, so let's see what is going on. Okay, triumphant success. Absolutely, there is success that is waiting for you in January 2021, and number 1, and this is all about new idea. This is about success, the breakthrough and things like that. Foundation and achievement. 1 and 4, this is a very beautiful combination. Group number 1, for some of you, you're definitely planning a proposal of some sort to lay a strong foundation to what you're building upon. All right, January is a month where you're going to lay a lot of foundation for you to build upon that, in terms of your prepping for what is to come. That is the energy that I'm getting. Like you're prepping something for you to take some big action in the future, and that is going to be absolutely successful. This is a very strong confirmation for you. The idea that you're working on is absolutely right, but the way you communicate it, the way you make your idea understood to other people is going to be the key for you. So be very clear in your communication, and they're also showing writing down your thoughts and ideas in some way. All right, because you may forget what is that idea that just popped into your head that may have a potential of bringing in a lot of abundance to you. And family wise, it is looking absolutely good. Like you may take a mini vacation, you may go visit some place where you all feel connected to. Maybe a sort of get together is what I'm seeing for you. There is some sort of connection building or rapport building that I'm seeing. For people who are in business, a very strong rapport that you build with others, and that is going to bring you a lot of success. Again, communication is the key. The way you're communicating with your family, the way you're expressing your feelings, your thoughts, is going to be very important for you in January 2021. Okay, we have 2 of Cups and we have Judgment as well. Okay, so 2 of Cups is about, again, as I told you, this is something related to partnership, like 2 people joining hands to bring something into existence. So this could be relationship, as I was picking up. It could be proposal. You may be proposing to the person that you love, or there is something about you taking things to the next level, taking it up a notch. Whatever you're doing, you're taking it to the next level. Maybe you're laying a foundation, you're making the prep work, maybe you're doing the background work in order to take that next step towards what is to come, and it is absolutely working. And write down whatever the idea, this is coming very strongly. Whatever new ideas or any thoughts that you feel it is absolutely important, don't ignore it, write it down, because that is going to help you a lot in future, is what I'm hearing for you. And I'm seeing number 5 here for whatever reason, so that is giving me the energy of some big changes that is going to come in the future, but you're preparing for that. Okay, you have been prepared. You have been getting, like as I said, I'm getting a lot of prep work. Like you're preparing something for there's something new, something big to enter into your life, and this is the time that you're doing this foundation work. And this is and the judgment work, again, this is giving me the idea of you reflecting on your past, you reflecting on what happened, taking stock of 2021 and making your plans and goals and visions for 2021 and also years to come. I don't think so you guys are very short focused, not just focusing on 1 year. Maybe you have a grand plan for next 5 years, like next 5 years I have to do this and I have to be achieving this or become this big entrepreneur or whatever that is there in your mind. You are a big thinkers, you are visionaries here, group number 1, and that is absolutely good. And this is the time for you to reflect and plan for far future. All right, think far ahead is what they are showing, because there is the energy that I'm seeing is like, before you start building a house, you're probably laying the blueprint, how your house that you're planning, how you want your kitchen to be, what are the kind of materials that you want to use. That is the sort of energy that I'm receiving. And January is very much about you doing some prep work to move forward in some direction that you have your mind about, have your mindset on. This could be relationship for some of you. It is definitely about proposing somebody, and if you're doing that, congratulations. Don't be afraid, you got this. And if you're planning something related to business, don't doubt your visions, don't doubt your dreams, because it has got a great potential. The way you communicate, the way you choose your partners, the way you lay this foundation work is going to be very crucial. Do not ignore this stage of planning. All right, that is what your angels and guides are telling you. Okay, the garden and the gate, blossoming abundance. Yeah, definitely. We have number 3 going on here, number 4, number 3. Okay, number 3 to number 4 is definitely a progress. Number 3 is all about growth, and number 4 is all about the foundation that you lay. Exactly the energy that I'm getting. And we have the garden and the gate, and if you can see, she is inside the garden. Yeah, garden is looking absolutely lush, beautiful, very comfortable the way she wants to. This is her area. She knows in and out every nook and corner of this garden. But what she doesn't know is what is there outside of this garden, and she is a little skeptical about going out. Maybe that is your situation right now. You are very comfortable where you are, and this is kind of giving you creeps to go out of the garden and check out what is there beyond this. And your angels and guides are telling you to don't worry. You got to open this garden and go outside. This garden, wow, my right ear is ringing so strong. This message is very strongly coming for some of you, all right? You got to get out of this garden, meaning get out of your comfort zone, because there is a big area that you have to explore. Do not doubt that. Okay, that is the biggest message for some of you, and that is where your abundance, the big chunk of abundance lies for you. All right, do not be afraid. And probably they're telling, like, if you get out of the garden, this is how the other side of the garden looks. Don't doubt your abilities. Get out of your comfort zone, and that is where you will find all the abundance, all the richness, luxury, and anything that you are looking for in life is stuck or is waiting for you, rather. All right, you got to open that gate, go out of your comfort zone and go explore, meaning take that leap, because you have to take a leap of faith here, because I'm seeing a lot of abundance that is waiting for you the other side. All right. Okay, into the unknown, absolutely the same energy continuing here. And number 7 is all about spiritual essence to what you're doing. Your angels and guides are definitely guiding you. You may be tied into the unknown. It may feel scary for you to get into this unknown area, this zone probably you never experienced, but your angels and guides are telling you, you got to do this. We got you, because if you can see the bird here, it is sort of directing you, like you are listening to the voice of the bird and carrying forward. And this is a symbolism of your guides, your angels guiding you, like all the signs and symbols. And if you can see, she's holding the key as well. I don't know if you can see her. She's holding the key here. Like you got the key. You just have to know how to unlock it. Meaning you got to try. All right. Do not give up. You got to try. You got to explore the unknown. All right. And we got spark here. For me, this is giving me the essence of, she's trying to play a music and probably hurt as well. And we have a dragonfly here. This is sort of giving me the vibes like probably in the past it may not have worked out the way you wanted, but your angels and guides are telling you, you cannot keep using the same example again and again. You got to set a new example, and you got to get over all this fear of losing or fear of failure to not to drag you down, not to stop you, the fear of failure, not to stop you from exploring beyond where you are right now, because there is something about you being fearful of failure, or what if it is not working out, what if people think I'm crazy and stuff. Your angels and guides are telling you, don't do that to yourself. And January is the month where you'll be doing a lot of prep work. You'll be working on yourself. You'll be working on getting over these fears, laying very strong foundation to where you are about to go. There is some sort of curtain that will be raised for you to see things very clearly, for you to take decisions, take actions. There is something big and grand that you're going to do in the future, but now is the time for you to do some prep work, and that is what you will be doing in January 2021. You helping yourself in terms of overcoming certain fears, taking leap of faith, taking decisions, and taking actions, and things like that. Let me pull one last card before we wind up. All right, for you, January 2021 is all about taking certain solid foundations, working on putting a very strong foundations for what is to come in the future. It could be about helping yourself to get over the fear, taking some leap of faith, doing some journaling work to bring out all the thoughts that is there inside. There is something about your thoughts which is very important to you. There will be something that will open up to you, which is going to be a very potential idea for you to build a business or something on those lines. All right, be open to receiving all such new ideas and stuff. Okay, so I love life. Yeah, nurturing yourself. This is the period for you to nurture yourself. All right, maybe there was some damage that happened in the childhood is what I'm hearing. Like, people kept saying you that it is too difficult, this is not for you, are you crazy, or there is something that wrong information that was fed to your belief system. This is time for you to release your belief system and plant what is new, what is in relevance to what you want in life, and nurturing that. This is the time for you to nurture your own thoughts, your own beliefs, not somebody else's. All right, so that is the message for you, group number 1. Nurture your own thoughts and beliefs and not others. What others told you, it is not true. It is not true to you, at least. All right, it may be true to them. Maybe they fear failure, maybe they failed miserably in the past, but that is not true to you. That is something you got to keep in mind. It is my it is my birthright to live fully and freely. I give to life exactly what I want life to give it to me. I'm glad to be alive. I love my life. Fall in love with your life, group number 1. That is the biggest message for you. Fall in love with your life, and don't be afraid to take chances. Don't be afraid to get out of the comfort zone and do something crazy. All right, make life happening for you, and do not be afraid to explore beyond where you stand today, right now. All right, so these are the messages that I'm getting for you for the month of January 2021. Just go explore, don't worry much. All right, yeah, if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Love you all, take care, happy new year once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 2. If you have selected this pink color candy cane, this reading is for you. Let's get started and see what are the messages that you have. The first thing that I heard for you is, do whatever you're doing, do it with love and passion. That is going to help bring you more results, more positive outcome, because I'm hearing that you are working on something, or there is something that you want to bring into reality or into fruition, and you got to do it with utmost love and passion, and like ignited passion. Like you want to do that because you really love that. All right, so there is something about you investing your heart and soul to something which is going to bring you a very good outcome, is what I'm hearing. Yeah, sacrifice, and then we have accelerated motion. Yeah, there is something in action for you. that you're going to take some big actions in 2021 January. All right, so 8 is accelerated motion. Things were really stuck, like probably you were taking time out to think something, plan something, or there is something that you were taking time out from, or you had put it in a back burner for quite some time, that you didn't want to attend to that particular area, or there is something about you taking your time out and not rushing on it. And January is the month where you'll be finally taking action towards that. That is the energy that I was picking up on. There is something that you're going to do, and if you were worried, if should I follow this dream or should I be doing it, your angels and guides are confirming that yeah, you got to try it, because looks like your heart is in that. All right, so that is what I'm hearing. Your heart is in that. You got to follow your heart, your inner voice in January 2021. All right, yeah, there is probably something that you were trying to let go of. You were working on yourself, doing some shadow work, releasing some aspects of your life that wasn't helping for you. There's something about you working on yourself and keeping things a little slow, not rushing on things, but it is going to gain momentum in January 2021 for you, group number 2. All right, maybe some of you were probably working on something and you did not see the result at all the way you wanted. This really disheartened you and made you think that should I be doing this at all. And your angels and guides are telling you you got to give it another try, because there is a very strong possibility of this picking up due to this accelerated motion. That is why they said in the initial part of your reading that you got to put your heart and soul and your passion to what you're doing. That is going to give you big change in January 2021. Hope that is making sense in some way. Okay, we have Queen of Pentacles here and 10 of Pentacles. All right, so this definitely has some big potential to make money, and also 10 of Pentacles is about leaving a legacy, in a big way. This is not a small time money. All right, this has a major potential for some of you. If you're thinking about relationship, if you have relationship in mind, you got to give it a new perspective or a new outlook is what I'm hearing for you, and try it again, because January looks very favorable towards the action that you're taking in terms of whichever area that you are sort of trying to fit in here in this reading, because there is something that is going to change for you in January 2021. The energies are going to shift, and the energies are going to shift because you've worked a lot on yourself in releasing some things, in letting go of some things, or you're trying to change yourself in a very different way, like you've never been this strong, this focused, or this in alignment ever before. And that happened because you have really worked a lot on yourself, and that is going to pay off for you. All right, do not doubt yourself, because you have come this far, and you have come this far not to just to come just this far. You have to go ahead also, because there's a long road that is waiting for you, and you got to trust your journey is what I'm hearing for you, group number 2. You got to trust your journey and also maintain your individuality, maintain your own grace and abilities to bring forth this abundance. For some of you, I'm definitely seeing some sort of business, you getting into the limelight. All right, people are going to recognize you for what you do. In January 2021, there is some sort of recognition and money coming your way. Yeah, there is some sort of recognition and money coming your way, and this money is not going to be like immediate results. This is going to take some time, but what you're doing, it is going to take momentum, gain momentum, and it has a huge potential to bring in a lot of money, and doing or having your own legacy. It is going to help you build your own legacy, your own chain of products, your own chain of brand. That is the kind of big energy that I'm seeing. Like you start with one, I'm hearing this stories where people tell, I just started my business in the garage, and today they are big entrepreneurs. They have multiple branches of their company and things like that. That is what I'm hearing for you, group number 2. It may look very small right now, but you got to put your heart and soul to it, because this has a potential to grow big and make a sort of legacy or empire for yourself. For that, you definitely have worked a lot, and you got to work more on yourself, and do things with grace, do things with joy, and really have fun doing it, because this has got a lot of potential. However, whatever was that you had put in a back burner, things were really slow, that is going to gain momentum. You'll be feeling this energy, like you want to do something about it. Now I cannot just sit and wait for things to happen. I'm going to make things happen. This is the kind of energy I'm feeling. Like, okay, let me do that, let me see how it is going to go, and you're going to go after and just run around and make things happen for yourself. You're not waiting for others to give you a helping hand. I'm seeing a lot of individual energy here, like whereas group 1, it was about partnership. I very strongly felt the energy of somebody else joining hands. For you, it is about you are the king, you're the queen, and you do it alone. For some of you, you're single mother or single father here who are trying to make things happen for yourself and your child. This reading is a strong confirmation that you are going to do that, and do not doubt yourself and your abilities. You are more than capable, is what I'm hearing for you, and that is such a beautiful message. Okay. Look at that. If you had any doubts in your mind, please erase it off, because look at that, we have victory written all over here. And magician and the mirror, this is about magician energy. This is about he making things happen. He got all the tools. He's kind of sort of alchemist, turning raw material into something worthwhile. So that is what you're doing. You're using the given situation and making it work for you, not cribbing about situations, not cribbing about people anymore. It's all about you. It is all about you growing further, going forward, and creating the life that you want. And it is all happening because you invested on yourself, is what I'm hearing for you. And they're telling, good job. You have done a phenomenal job all this while helping yourself. And when the time was right, you definitely stopped. You took things slow, and everything is absolutely happening the way it is supposed to happen. And this is what is bringing you victory. This is what is bringing you the brand, the legacy, the product that you're trying to build. All right. More than relationships, I'm getting the energy of kings and queens and entrepreneurs, or somebody who's going to make big. And you are definitely one of those. Do not doubt yourself. Victory is written all over your reading here. We have compass, magical map shifter. Look at that. We have magic coming twice. You're the one who is shifting it. It is all about you. Group number 2. We have 53, 52, 53, 50. Like things are absolutely in alignment, is what I'm seeing. Like you're taking one step at a time. You're not rushing into things. You're okay if things are going slow. And your angels and guides are telling you that is perfectly all right. It's all right if things are going slow. But there is something huge that you're going to build for yourself in life, for you, for your child, for your grandkids, if you're planning to have one in the future. So this is going to be a very long lasting success for you, and you're going to take certain actions towards fulfilling this. I'm not telling that January is where you're going to see all this, but this is where you're headed towards. And January is when you're going to take certain actions to bring forth all this, and it is all happening because you are following your inner guidance system. You're following the signs and symbols. You know exactly how to work with the energies, how to use the energies to your favor, and things like that. Definitely you have worked a lot in terms of understanding yourself, sort of law of attraction, or probably you were taking some classes on law of attraction, or you have been researching a lot in terms of how to use energy to your benefit. There is something about you working on certain skill which is going to pay off for you very grandly in the future. But January is all about taking actions. You can't just sit anymore. You feel like you have to do something, like you have to go get it. You cannot sit and wait for the success to fall into your lap. Like you're going to plan, you're going to design, you're going to meet people, you're going to make things happen, like you're the boss. Yeah, that is the word, like you're the boss, and you're all ready to make things happen for you. And I'm absolutely happy and thrilled to see where you're going and what is that you're going to accomplish. I wish you all the best. Let me pull one last card for you. I am worth loving. I do not have to earn love. I am lovable because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. Yeah, exactly, like individuality. Like you are in love with yourself. You are in love with what you're planning to create for yourself. It's a lot about self-love. And also your angels and guides are telling you, when the time comes, allow people to come into your life and help you. That is going to be a little bit in future, but as of now, you know that I am worth loving. All right, this is all about self-expression. This is all about self-love, which is going to reflect outside, and people are going to be drawn to you. You'll be surprised like how many people are going to come to your help, to want to support you, want to really show their appreciation to you. They want to love you. For some of you, they want to be with you and things like that. Maybe if you're married, if you had lost the spark, somehow your partner is going to find that attractiveness back in you. Yeah, a lot of things shifting for you. It is all happening because of you doing the work that was necessary when it was the right time. And really, you have to applaud yourself. You have to really appreciate and love yourself more, because you stood by yourself, and that is what matters, right? We have to stand for ourselves when nobody does, and that shows how much courageous and brave we are. Wow, that is amazing, you guys. Group number 2, all empowered beings sharing group number 2. You have a wonderful January 2021. Happy New Year. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected this green candy cane, this reading is for you. The first thing that I heard for you is you got to take care of yourself even more, nurture yourself, eat, think, watch anything that is going to nurture your body, mind and soul, which is very, very important for you in January 21. You got to do things that is going to nurture you, not drain you. Already got to eat right, lot of greens, because you chose green candy cane, but yeah, that is the energy I'm getting. Like you got to nurture your mind, body, soul, which is going to be extremely important. Be mindful of what you're eating, what you're watching, what you're talking, with whom you're talking, and things like that. Maybe you have a tendency to drain energy very fast, to feel a little tired when you're in a big group of people. Maybe people are constantly coming to you or talking to you about their problems and things like that. So try to draw a boundary where you got to take a time out for yourself as well in January 2021. So let's see. Okay, we have throat chakra and partnership and alliance. Okay, throat chakra is about communication. We have number 5 and number 3. There is something about communication. The way you communicate matters a lot in January 2021. There is partnership and alliances. Maybe you're partnering with somebody, and this is the energy that is slightly leaning towards group number 1 also. Though they did not get this combination of cards, I strongly felt like there is some sort of partnership that they are entering into, and communication matters a lot for them as well. If you're drawn to group number 1, you can go and check that out as well. And this is I'm getting this energy of masculine and feminine energy. Like this could be love relationship also. Maybe you're meeting somebody who is going to be a potential partner, or a very good friend who is going to be with you for a very long time is what I'm hearing. right? And also for others of you, I'm hearing like you got to be very clear in what you're communicating with your partner, because they may misunderstand you. Okay, it could be friend, partner, your relationship, your husband, your wife, girlfriend, whatever the partnership that you are in. Be sure to communicate in a right way, because there may be chances of they misunderstanding you or you misunderstanding them and getting into unnecessary tensions, which is something we don't want. All right, so there is something about you taking care of the way you speak, and whatever you are speaking has to be absolutely clear and coming from your heart. Right, maybe that is why they're talking about setting boundaries. Maybe that is why they told you to be mindful of how you're nourishing your body, mind and soul, because that matters a lot for you in January 2021. If you feel that it is not necessary, talk or convey that feeling or anything that is running in your mind, just take a time out. It's all right for you to be alone for some time, but be really mindful of what is that you're communicating and how you're communicating to the other person, which is going to improve or spoil the relationship. It both can happen. Either for some of you it is going to take things to the next level, the communication is going to be amazingly good. For others of you, things may go the other side, and probably it may not be that good. All right, so be very mindful of how is that you're going to speak to your partner, whichever partnership that you're getting into, because communication is the key for you. Again, like group number 1, communication is going to be very, very crucial for you. Because I'm getting two sides of energy, that is why I'm taking a little slow here to read both the sides of the energy, because for some of them I'm seeing that things are getting elevated and going to the next level, having a happy communication, and I'm seeing the other group where the communication is misunderstood and it is leading to other way around. All right, so either way, you be very smart with the way you're communicating, because it has a greater potential to fix the partnership and take things to the next level, and it also has the possibility of spoiling what is going on right now. All right, and then we have 7 of Pentacles, and then we have the Sun. This is amazing. All right, the Sun is all about happiness, joy, singing. For probably some of you are singers here, is what I'm hearing. Okay, and I'm seeing this water falling, the water fountain here. That reminds me of communication. Again, be very clear. I'm so sorry. Be very clear in the way you are communicating with your partner. And 7 of Pentacles, there is something that is coming your way in terms of money, abundance, or this could be a surprise gift also for some of you. Group number 3, there could be a surprise gift. Maybe they will surprise you with something. There is some element of surprise is what I'm seeing. Maybe the other partner is planning something for you. Maybe they'll surprise you. Maybe it is your anniversary, or there is something about a surprise is also I'm seeing for you, group number 3. So be prepared to get surprised for some of you who have something special going on in January. Maybe they're thinking of gifting you something or bringing flowers or something like that. That is what I'm seeing for you. But yeah, be very mindful of what you're talking, the way you are expressing yourself. It has to be absolutely clear. I'm seeing a lot of enjoyments. I'm seeing a lot of get together also. Maybe that is why they're telling you to eat mindfully, because you may have more than a normal get together. Probably friends are coming over. You may have a sudden plans of going out and things like that. So be very mindful of how you're feeding your mind, body and soul. There is a very important necessity for you to set boundaries in January 2021. Okay, we have 4th chakra, Archangel Raphael, that is heart chakra, man holding a coin. Yeah, for some of you, it is definitely about somebody coming your way in terms of love relationship, a proposal, or some sort of partnership for your business, which is coming your way, which is absolutely beneficial to you. All right, so that's why communication is a key for you, because this can change the entire game for some of you. If you're looking for a partner, partnering with somebody and things like that, we have a lot of sun going on here. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Do things from your heart is going to be very essential for you. Keep your heart open. Be really mindful of what you're doing, how you're doing, and why you're doing, and things like that, because that is absolutely important for you in January 2021. We have fifth chakra and fourth chakra, which is very important. That is heart chakra and throat chakra. So that is where most of the work that you'll be doing in January 2021 in terms of thinking and feeling through your heart, like doing what you're in resonance with your heart and deciding things from your heart and things like that, and also communication. So before you communicate anything, just take a step back and see if that is really what you would like to communicate. All right, so that is why the emphasis is over communication and heart chakra sitting diagonally here. Like, you got to think from your heart before you communicating it. All right, if you're proposing somebody, think from the heart, this is what I want to do, and then communicate it or propose to the other person if you're getting into partnership. So based on your heart, take decisions based on your heart, how it is making you feel. All right, that is going to be very beneficial for you in January 2021. Okay, we have field of dreams and then dragon liar. Like somebody of some of you are going to face your fears and you're going to take a lot of action. I'm somehow getting the sense that many of you probably would have chosen group number 3. I'm getting so many messages, collective messages, different sort of messages for you, group number 3. For some of you are going to you're going to take some actions going against your fear. That is why your heart chakra is very prominent here, and throat chakra and heart chakra. You're not going to fall for fear. You're not going to listen to your fear-based energy anymore, because you're going to take decisions from your heart and you're going to communicate it right in January 2021. You're going to face your fears and follow your dreams. Yeah, exactly. This is all making sense now. Like, you're going to follow your dreams. You're not going to fall into the trap of fear anymore. You're going to face your fear in January 2021. Whatever that fear means to you, in whichever area this fear is probably keeping you trapped, definitely you are facing your fear and you're going to communicate in the right direction. You're going to follow your heart, and partnerships are going to be very beneficial for you, and communication is the key. Things, there is some sort of surprise. The element of surprise is what I'm hearing. There is something that is that will be revealed to you in January 2021. Okay, that is a whole lot of messages for you, group number 3. Okay, let me pull one last card before we wind up the reading. Even the cards are all jumpy. I don't know for you, group number 3. Feeding to your body, mind and soul. Don't just go with the flow. Don't just eat that. Don't just think, overthink, or don't just listen to a lot of people, because probably January is where there is going to be a lot of influence from others also. The card that has come out for you is I am willing to change. I'm willing to release old negative beliefs. They are only thoughts that stand in my way. My new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. Yeah, for some of you, you're definitely releasing some old thoughts and patterns, that is overcoming the fear and following your heart and communicating it to the world. All right. For some of you, definitely it is about that. You're communicating something to the world or something to your partner, or you're proposing to your partner for some of you and things like that. But others of you, you are following your dreams. You're not going to fall into the trap of fears anymore, and you're going to follow your dreams. As we speak, my nose is itching, and itchy nose is definitely irritating. So I'm sensing, and they're telling it is a sign that there may be times when people may irritate you in Jan 2021. It's like itch. Itchy for you, like it is really irritant for you, like why is that person doing this to me and things like that. But yeah, think from the heart and take decisions what is that you got to do. So this is the reason why they're telling you to set boundaries in January 2021. It is going to be really, really important to you. What nourishes your soul, mind, body, and soul, including people, all right, who is good for you, who is nourishing for you, and who are not. You have to be willing to release all of them from your life, and that is for your good in the long run. My nose is itching crazily, all right. Yeah, that is a very strong sign. Like be aware where your energy is going towards, because there may be people who is going to take advantage of you. So yeah, make sure you take care of that, because your energy, your attention is very important and precious. Don't just let it flow wherever it is going. You have to be very selective where you are investing your energy into, all right. That is very important for you in January 2021. All right, so that's all I have got for you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You got some messages of that is absolutely making sense to you at this point, or it is going to make sense to you in January 2021. Happy New Year, all of you, once again. See you in my next video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to finish this and I'm going to do something about my itchy nose now. Okay, bye bye.